This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski and Kim Lam. Great third floor condo for sale in Orlando. 1 bedroom, 1 bath turnkey ready condo. New vinyl plank flooring installed, new paint, new granite countertop, new kitchen cabinets, and the bathroom has been remodeled. Great for investor or first-time home buyers. Plaza Millennium is a cozy gated community, with a community pool and clubhouse. It is situated near the Mall of Millenia, iDrive, Universal, and SeaWorld, various shops and restaurants. You'll be minutes from downtown Orlando and everywhere with access to I-4 and the 408. For more information, review the details below or contact Grohowski and Kim Lam at 407-406-5322.